The basics of using a drill driver. Parts. Power supply. Variable speed trigger. Chuck. Forward, reverse, or lock switch. Gear switch. Torque adjustment collar. Safety. Wear safety glasses, use hearing protection, and tight-fitting gloves are recommended. Operation. Select the bit type, length, and diameter for the material. Turn the chuck counterclockwise to open it. Make sure to align your bit properly with the chuck teeth, and turn the chuck clockwise to close. Make sure the bit is not wobbling, but it spins true. When drilling, set the torque collar to drill mode. Use the torque collar for inserting fasteners, using the numbers to select your desired torque or turning force. Select forward or reverse. Forward is on the right-hand side of the tool. Reverse is on the left-hand side of the tool. The switch can be centered to lock the trigger. Center your bit on the drill mark and pull the trigger, using a downward force to either drill or fasten fasteners.